Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and for today's video I'll be showing you guys my new camera. So I got Walmart online because they didn't have it in stores, they didn't sell it in stores, only online. The camera bundle came with a bundle, so it came with a tripod, SIM card, and all the other stuff like the charger, so you wouldn't have to buy it separately for like $20 each. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get started with this video. I watched this on the weekend because I was too excited to open it, so this is actually already open and stuff. So yeah, so this was $2.94 for all of the things like the SIM card, the tripod, the charger, the camera, the bag. So yeah, this was actually a good price for $2.94 on Walmart. There was no tax, no shipping and stuff. It was only $2.94, so that was great. So I just bought this online, the Canon PowerShot SX530HS. I did some reviews and my cousin helped me pick out this camera to see which one I would buy, the GoPro or this camera, and I chose this one because I don't really go swimming and stuff or go on fun adventures to use a GoPro, because like GoPro, like I think you need to use it for like fun adventures, like go underwater and stuff, and I don't really swim. I chose this one. I really wanted like a camera for a long time, but just never had a bunch of money. I like saving money for my birthday money and Christmas money, and I still have more in my piggy bank. So now I got it here with me. It's like a dream come true. Like I feel like I'm dreaming because I got this camera, because this is what the camera looks like out of the box. It is the Canon. I already told you what kind of camera this is. It has some HD video, 1080p, shooting 50x zoom, and whatever. I'm not really a camera expert. I just look at the features on the paper or at Walmart at the description thing when they have it displayed. So Wi-Fi, so you connect your Wi-Fi, so you can transfer your photos to your phone and videos and stuff like that. And I'm gonna turn it on for you because I already charged the battery, put the SIM card in and stuff. So yeah, so this is it. This is it. Pretty excited to use this. I haven't used this yet. Oh my gosh, is there like... Okay. Looks like I'm gonna need to clean this lens because I can see that it's dirty from the light thing, from my ring light on my phone. It's pretty bad. So yeah, it's fully charged because I charged it already. I haven't used this yet, and I really want to, because this is very exciting having a camera. So now let's get started with what came with it. So it came with a strap, the SIM card which is already in it, the battery, and the camera cap on it already. So it came with that. In the box you get a manual, the camera manual, you can read all that stuff. Came with a tripod, a small tripod, which is good for vlogging, like holding it like that and stuff, so your camera won't be shaky, your video won't be shaky and stuff like that. You can fold this too to make it smaller, your tripod. So it came with a hand grip. I don't know what that means, but I'm not really going to use this. So this is what it looks like. Should I take off the box to show you guys what this thing looks like? It looks like hand grip. Don't know what this is for, but don't know. I think I'm never going to use this thing. So this is what this is. Okay, now the next thing is this lens cleaner. You just point it on your lens and like wipe it because it has a brush on it. Instructions are in the back. You can't really see because of the darkness, the brightness of this light thing. Yeah, it cleans your lens, your surface, smudges and stuff like that. So yeah, this is a good thing that came with this to help me clean my camera and stuff. So it came with an HDMI cable to connect to your computer in case you don't have an iPhone like Wi-Fi compatible, or you have a flip phone that you can't connect it with, but you have a computer, so you can use an HDMI cable. And you can also plug in the SIM card to your computer, so you can transfer your photos on there, just like that, with an HDMI or your SIM card or whatever you want to use. So, but I'm not really going to use this. Mostly I'm just going to transfer it to my phone and stuff, because I normally edit my photos and videos on my phone, so that's what I'm going to do. And my backup plan will be on the computer, so if that doesn't work, I'll do it on the computer and stuff like that. So I already have my plan set up in case something doesn't work out. So yeah, I'm all backed up. Now that I have two cameras, my phone camera and this camera, I can vlog with this phone first, and when this phone is like out of percent, like battery percent, I can switch to this camera for vlogging. It also came with another charger pack for your home and car, so you can charge your battery in your car or have an extra charger to charge your another battery, because it also came with another battery too, so you could charge that while using your other battery. So when this battery runs out, you can switch it out really easily and use this battery that's already fully charged. So this is a good thing that I have 2 batteries to switch out with. It also came with a USB multi-card reader writer. I don't know what that means, but I think it's just a regular USB to plug in your memory and stuff. So yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. Lastly, you get this bag with the strap. This is just a small bag for your camera, so you can't really fit your tripod. It only fits your camera and charger. So yeah, so this is all what the bundle camera with your camera from Walmart online. They had also other kinds too, but I got help from my cousins to help me pick which one would be the best bundle to buy, because some of them were $289, some of them were $294, some of them were less priced, but I got help with my cousin helping me pick out this camera. So thank you to you, Jam, for helping me pick out this camera. Thanks very much. Yeah, so that was all for this video. I just wanted to show you guys my new camera. I know I already showed you guys my new camera on the New Year's Eve vlog, so if you guys haven't watched that already, it'll be in the link description down below or at the end of the video where you can click on it, like right here and stuff. So yeah, that's all that I really wanted to do for this video. I just was so excited to show you guys and stuff, even though I already showed you guys on my New Year's Eve vlog. And yeah, and stuff like that. But yeah, so that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and also comment down below for other videos that you want me to do next, like any challenges, reactions, or another unboxing video that I have. I don't know, just comment whatever you want. And also, if you're not yet subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button to become a part of my group, the Ronellesters group. I don't know, whatever, just that's why I call my fans. So Ronellesters, please come huddle up and squad up. Thank you. So yeah, just hit that subscribe button, become a part of my pack and crew. I'm trying to hit like 100 subs by the end of 2018 if possible, so please help me reach that goal by subscribing. Click like. So yeah, thank you so much for helping me out, and I hope this year will be a great year for me for YouTube and all of my goals to be achieved, my dreams to be achieved. And I hope everyone has a wonderful year too. Like, good luck, be safe, and I hope all your dreams comes true. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to say before the ending. That was really a long. Yeah, that was all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.